In this video, I'll show you a simple workaround you can use to direct quiz users to subscription products in your Shopify store. First, make sure that your quiz shows product recommendations on the results page. You can do this in two ways. Either by upvoting products to specific choices, so the recommendation algorithm suggests the most voted items, or by using fixed recommendations on your results page. Whichever method you prefer, just ensure that the quiz displays products at the end. Next, head over to your results page and locate the Products or Collections block where your recommendations appear. Open the recommended product settings, and under Product Components Layout, adjust the configuration so that users are redirected to the product page, instead of adding products directly to the cart. If the built for Shopify version of the RevenueHunt app doesn't yet support adding subscription products created with your extension app directly from the quiz results page, this workaround is necessary. Remove the Add to Cart button and add a Link to Product button instead. This way, when users click View Product, they'll be taken straight to the product page in your store, where they can choose their subscription plan or duration before completing their purchase. Once you've made the changes, click Save, preview your quiz, and you'll see that each recommended product now includes a View Product button. When clicked, it will take users directly to the product page where they can select their subscription option and complete checkout. To learn more, visit our Help Center at docs.revenuehunt.com.